Look at this bag I found in this dumpster. We got one knife, like a butterfly knife. Wow. More knives. Wow. Yeah, I'm never gonna have to worry about losing a pocket knife again here. Oh. Ooh. One knife, two knife, 3, 4. Jesus. Go. Whoa, what is that? What is in this dumpster? Just gonna take the whole bag again. There's fucking magazine clips in here. Oh, that's airsoft. Lock set. Whew. There's 30 bucks right there. Oh man, that's quite the dumpster. Look. I mean, that's a gun case right there. This isn't a spot I usually go to, but I'm like, hey, I'm gonna swing around this building, see if there's anything good in the back. That's always something you should do. If you're in a plaza, just on your way out, roll around the back. You'd be surprised what you find. Oh, this is more stuff. Same guy. Oh. Yeah, it's like they cleaned out somebody. That's a nice pan. Oh. Ooh. So I got these 3 bags back in my shop. Just in the first minute of looking at them out in the cold, found 6 of these pocket knives. There's a ton more stuff in there, so we're gonna go through them. Oh no, this is a tripod for a gun. Yeah, these are like rails for guns. That's Russian. Okay, that's another knife. That's for like magazines. Ooh, another knife. He's got like 40 of these in here. Another knife. Oh shit. Oh fuck. This looks oh, okay. It's got a CO2 canister, but whoa. I got real nervous for a second there. Yep, there's a BB magazine. All right, another knife. Another knife. This guy loved knives. Oh yeah. Another knife. Oh, we got pops. I gotta put gloves on. I'm a fucking idiot. Back smarter because I was reaching in here with bare hands, finding knives, and I don't know. I'm an idiot. Look, we got a Milwaukee knife. Ooh, 1 knife, 2 knife, 3, 4. Jesus. Another knife. Another knife. Another knife. What do you need that many knives for? Milwaukee charger. All kinds of empty Milwaukee shit. Ooh. Battery, that might work. Books. War, thoughts on management. 10x rule. These are actually pretty good books. It looks like those push-up things. Make my hands stronger. More pet stakes. Bunch of fine grit sandpaper. Magazine. Nice. Go. There was a lot of stuff in there, over 20 knives, a lot of these butterfly knives, a bunch of magazines for airsoft. That's not real, that's airsoft. We got all these pocket survival tools, like 50 of them, some actual like decent books, a Milwaukee charger and a battery, some sandpaper. I think these are for shooting at the range. a carrier for these magazines, some miscellaneous airsoft parts. These things are like actual, they seem real. And then an airsoft tripod. Then we got a bunch of other miscellaneous airsoft stuff here. I don't really know what to do with any of it, so I'm gonna scrap it, or somebody make me an offer. There's some like rails and miscellaneous parts and stuff. This ranks at the top of one of my most interesting finds for sure, and most useful, because I lose a lot of knives dumpster diving, if you believe it.